YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Sorry I haven't posted in a while since my last video and what's been going on with that. Just haven't felt like making videos about handbags and stuff, so that's why I haven't posted anything. I did film a handbag video, as I said, I think toward the end of my last video. I filmed one right after I filmed that video, and I just haven't felt like editing it, so I will get that done and get it up soon and try to get back into my normal routine. But yeah, the only reason I'm filming this one right now, this Jord watch, and it's the same one I've unboxed before, it just had to be sent off for repairs, so I wanted to talk about that for a minute. The only reason that I'm filming this now, I've had this sitting on my desk for about a week, and the boyfriend wants his watch back, so he's forcing me to do it. All right, let me open it up. Like I said, it was sent for repairs, and I just packed it up in the box that they had sent it to me in. Or no, they sent me a repair box, actually, when I applied for the repair. And I don't think it was exactly the same box that this one was in. Here, I'm opening it up, do a little unboxing for you while I talk. So there's a little note in there. Here's some styrofoam. Here's the watch. And because it was sent for repair, it's just in this box. We already have the original box that it came in. And I'll talk about the repair in a second, but let me tell you what happened with it. So we sent it for repair because the little stem was loose and kind of wiggling around. And oh, and just to let you know, I'm going to talk about a bracelet that I got too. So if you're not interested in the watch, stay tuned for this bracelet. For the third time, I think. We sent the watch for repair, and I got tracking information on it, and it was like the day or the day after they received it, they fixed it and shipped it back, which was pretty amazing. That was really fast. And then I got a note in my mailbox a few days later from the post office that they'd tried to deliver it, but couldn't for some reason. Now, our mailbox would definitely fit this little box here, so I don't know why they didn't just put this in there, or if it didn't fit, if it was just a tiny bit taller, because we have this long skinny box that's with a bunch of boxes on a wall because we're in an apartment. Does that make sense? So if it didn't fit in our box, they have bigger boxes that they just put a key in your box and then you can go get it out of there. And we also have an office that was open when this was delivered, where large packages are delivered. So I have no idea why they didn't deliver it that first day that they tried, but they left us that note. They never tried to deliver it again. We went to the post office and they had lost it. It took about 3 weeks, and the boyfriend had to call and file a claim and deal with a lot of crap. So it finally arrived. They finally found it, and here it is. And I just want to take a look at the stem here. And see, I actually, hold on, let me look at the paperwork, because I want to make sure I'm not doing anything wrong here. So it came with this little inspection thing, and it says on the bottom, crown tube was replaced and secured. So that's what they did to it. And then there's another page. Let me make sure it doesn't have personal information. It does. Let's see, let me cover that up. Okay, so I've covered my personal information with a business card from Sunset Animal Hospital, which is one of the places that took care of Sebastian. And here we go. So it has this order here. It says the crown tube fell out and they replaced that, and it has a photo of the watch. So yeah, all in all, we were very happy with it. We just weren't happy with the post office. I want to remind you about this watch that I have. Jord sent this to me for free to do some videos about it and to see if you guys want to use a coupon code, and I'll list all that below. And they also have a drawing for, now I forget what it is, I'll list it all below. It's some amount of money off a watch purchase, and that contest is going to end this Friday. That would be October 5th, and I think probably get this video up tonight, so that'll be tomorrow. The contest ends tomorrow. So if you haven't entered that yet and you want to, go ahead and get your entry in. And I know I'd had a previous deadline for that, but it was extended because of the watch repair and all that. They wanted me to be able to talk about that before we finished up. So let me tell you about the bracelet. I got this bracelet from Silveristic on Etsy, shop named Silveristic on Etsy. And here it is. Let me get it where you can see it better. So my bracelet has 3 little stones. One is pink, one is light blue, and one is clear. And what these are custom birthstone bracelets. And I got this when I knew Sebastian was sick. And the pink one is his birthstone for October. The blue one is Baron's birthstone for, we don't really know his birthday month, but that was the month that we adopted him, which was March. And then the clear one is Vincent's, which was April. It's when she was born. So I got the baby's birthstones and a little bracelet to have them with me. I'd been wanting a dainty gold chain bracelet of some sort, and I wanted something to be on it, some little charm or something, but I didn't know what, and I wanted it to have some kind of meaning. So when I found this, I thought, well, that's perfect. So I ordered that. And with the 3 stones, the price changes depending on how many stones you get. And you tell them what colors you want and what order you want them in. With the 3 stones, it was just under $40, including shipping. So that was nice. And you also give them the size you want. And I didn't know, but they added this little extra chain. So I have it on almost the smallest setting, which is the size that I requested. And they add this chain in case you need a little extra length. And I found that that's handy in putting the bracelet on. So I'll kind of, let me show you here. I'll kind of hold the end of the chain with my finger like that so that I can wrap the end of it and clip it on here. But I do find the chain a little bit annoying going throughout my day, having something dangling off my wrist like that. But I think it's really pretty. It hasn't been twisting around on me when I go to look for it or look at it. It's sitting upright. So yeah, and I don't have any kind of coupon codes or anything, but I'll link their shop below in case you're interested in getting a custom birthstone bracelet. I love custom stuff. That's it for today. I am gonna get that handbag video up for you soon so that you can see what I got. I'm really enjoying that bag. It's another color and it's really pretty. I like it a lot. And I don't know what I'm doing after that. I need to get back into my routine and start filming and posting again regularly. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to click the like button, the subscribe button, the bell notification icon to be notified by YouTube when I post a new video, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.